Step 1. Add 300 grams chicken to a bowl. Add quarter teaspoon salt. Add half teaspoon white pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon sajwan chutney. Add quarter teaspoon sugar. Add half teaspoon red chili sauce. Add quarter teaspoon soya sauce. Keep it aside. Step 2. Add 3/4 cup flour into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon corn flour. Add half teaspoon salt. Add half teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 beaten egg. Add quarter teaspoon mixed herb. Mix well. Add a bit of water until the mixture is thick. Add half teaspoon white pepper powder. Step 3. Add 5 tablespoon mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon Szechuan chutney and 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon red chili sauce and quarter teaspoon mixed herb and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well.